I am who I am because of you. If it had not been for you, tell me where would I be? I was lost and sinking deep in sin.
Hello lovely people, Mzinzi Ayunyapua Taylor, the Miss Brahman Udra 2019. Early this year, we recorded our first 2 confirmed cases of the coronavirus pandemic in this country, and indeed the country was traumatized and hitherto battling with this pandemic. Ana yepede abato basa yo sanji omayini niji bodo ana. I most of the time sit down and ask myself these questions. What is election at all? Is it when friends become enemies? Journalists become pugilists? No, this is no election but a horrific movie. So since when did the word violence become synonymous to peace? Oh, voices from afar, and those voices yet unborn. But whose future depends on this election are watching, they are listening, and they are picking up. As young people, we should always remember that we have a great future ahead of us, and posterity will never forgive us if we allow ourselves to be agents in plunging this country into chaos. Do you know something? Our country has always been seen as a beacon of hope and an oasis of peace. Ghana, man, it's a commodity of commencing. Yes, sure one. Let us vote peacefully come December 7. You are the power, so your life shouldn't be in danger. Let's support the promotion of peace before, during, and after the 2020 polls. But do not forget to mask up, cause coronavirus is still in existence. Thank you.
No one else but you.